Hello everyone, welcome again in the channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to download latest Adobe Photoshop, for free and full. So let's start. Here open your browser, and copy this link and hit enter to run it. After the web to be fully opened, scroll down to reach the download button, and click it to download. In this new window, you have to wait for those 10 seconds, then your download will immediately start. After finishing, click the download button that will pop up, for keep on downloading Photoshop. And finally here your download is. For installing it, only you have to do, it's to extract it and the password will be in the description below. Thank you for watching till the end, see you in the next one, don't forget to subscribe and stay safe.
And now I know